because right now we're at McDonald's Maple Grove to witness and to celebrate the gift of life and a milestone for Baby Dillard. Kaya naman maaari po ba kung makarinig ng masigabong palakpakan na may kasama? Kiara! For today's afternoon at mas lalo pa po natin patataas niya. Kapag sinabi ko po ang magic word natin, hooray for today, you will say the loudest hooray. Okay, once again, kapag sinabi ko po ang magic word natin, hooray for today, sasabihin niyo po ang malakas na hooray. Okay, ready everyone? Hooray for today! Okay, yung mas malakas po, hooray for today! And before we even start, hayaan niyo po muna kami magpakilala. I am Ate Jai, your party host for today, together with my amazing co-host, Kuya Brian. Palakpakan po natin si Kuya Brian. At maya-maya po, makakasama naman po natin si Kuya Reinhardt, ang ating food coordinator. At syempre, hindi naman po kami mapayag na kasi alam po ang ating pagsasama. Dapat po iligtas din, kaya maririnig po natin ang boses ni Kuya Ronald McDonald.